Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the block code tag. So there are block codes. So how we gonna do that? Just do first. What I'm gonna do is create a p tag and write it something like this. No, instead of doing that, I'm gonna use the h1 tag and about wwf. Now, I'm not talking about the wrestling, I'm talking about the organization. And here, here is a quote. I'm suck at spelling, from WWF's something like website. Yeah, website. When you do that, after that, what you need to do is write the block code. In the site, you need to specify a website, like here www dot world what we call wild something like that life dot org. So, in this way you can they can see, like, when it's the mouse is hover over it, you can see it. And if you don't understand, you will understand very soon when I'm gonna show you how you do that. And give a quotation mark, I mean. And when you're done with that, when you see here, you can see it's working about WWF, and here is the code. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.